Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to Money Moves with Wealtify. I'm your host, Matt, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's sure to get you thinking about your own wealth-building strategies. We're going to explore the Trump family's billion-dollar business empire as it stands in 2024, and more importantly, we'll extract some valuable lessons that you can apply to your own financial journey. So buckle up and let's get started. The Trump Empire. A brief overview. Before we dive into the lessons, let's take a quick look at the Trump family's business landscape in 2024. 1. Real estate, still the cornerstone of their wealth. 2. Hospitality and hotels, a global presence. 3. Golf courses, luxury destinations worldwide. 4. Licensing and branding, the power of the Trump name. 5. Media and entertainment, expanding their reach. Now let's break down the key strategies that have contributed to their success and see how we can apply them to our own lives. Lesson 1. Diversification is key. The Trumps have their fingers in many pies, from real estate to hospitality and even media. This diversification helps protect their wealth from market fluctuations in any single industry. Takeaway for you: don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. Want to learn more about diversification strategies? Head over to www.wealtify.online for exclusive content on building a robust investment portfolio. You'll find the link in the video description below. Lesson 2. Leverage your brand. The Trump name has become a brand in itself, allowing the family to license it for various products and properties worldwide. Takeaway: build your personal brand. In today's digital age, a strong personal brand can open doors to opportunities and partnerships you never thought possible. Lesson 3. Think big, start small. While the Trump empire is massive now, it started with modest beginnings in outer borough real estate development. Takeaway: don't be afraid to dream big, but start with what you have. Small, consistent steps can lead to significant wealth over time. Lesson 4. Adapt to market changes. The Trumps have shown an ability to pivot and adapt their business strategies based on market conditions and opportunities. Takeaway: stay informed about market trends and be willing to adjust your financial strategies accordingly. Flexibility can be a powerful tool in wealth building. Lesson 5. Network and build relationships. The Trump family's success is partly due to their extensive network of business contacts and partnerships. Takeaway: invest time in building meaningful relationships. Networking can lead to opportunities, partnerships, and insights that can accelerate your wealth-building journey. If you're enjoying this content and want to support our channel, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Lesson 6. Embrace calculated risks. The Trumps have taken significant risks in their business ventures, some of which have paid off handsomely. Don't shy away from calculated risks. Assess potential opportunities carefully, and be prepared to step out of your comfort zone for potentially high rewards. Lesson 7. Create multiple income streams. From property rentals to licensing deals, the Trump family has multiple sources of income. Look for ways to create passive income streams. This could be through investments, side hustles, or turning your skills into products or services. While the Trump family's journey is unique, these lessons can be applied to anyone looking to build wealth and success. Remember, it's not about replicating their exact path, but rather understanding the principles that drive financial success and adapting them to your own situation. Thank you for joining us on Money Moves with Wealtify. We hope you found value in today's video. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help us reach more people with this valuable content. For more in-depth financial strategies and exclusive wealth-building tips, visit www.wealtify.online. The link is in the description below. Until next time, keep making those money moves.